Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see class 9 factorization. So in class 9 you have factorization in two types. One is related to a quadratic polynomial and the other one is related to a cubic polynomial. So now there are two types of doing. One is by factorization and the another one is by long division. So now I will show you step by step in this video how to do the factorization. And whenever you see a quadratic polynomial, you have to see the highest exponent. So here if the highest exponent is 2, so the number of factors are also going to be 2. In case of a cubic polynomial, we know the highest factor is 3, highest exponent is 3. So the number of factors are also going to be 3. Now quickly we will see how to solve fourth main of exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4 fourth main. So this is the fourth main question which states that you have to factorize. So this is the first one. In the first example when you see it is a quadratic polynomial. Here the highest power is 2, so you will have 2 factors. So now what you have to do is you have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant which is going to be 12. And now you have to replace with this middle term with the factors of 12. So now first you have to identify what are the factors of 12. And you have a condition here where you have learnt in class 8th and class 7th also. Here when you take the factors of 12, when you add or subtract, you have to get minus 7, and when you multiply, you have to get plus 12. So now here you have 2 into 6 is also 12, but when you add, your sum is going to be 8, so we cannot go with this combination. Next we will see 3 and 4. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7, which you require. But here you need a positive 12 and here you need a negative 7. So what you need to do is you have to put a negative sign for both, where when you multiply you get positive 12 and when you add you will get minus 7. 7 with minus 3 and minus 4. So here it is going to be 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. This you write as it is. Only we are going to replace with minus 7x. So now when you see in these two, do the grouping and take out the common factor. And when you take out the common factor, it should be the highest common factor. Here in these two, the highest common factor is 3x. So when you remove 3x as the common factor, you will be left with 4x minus 1. And now here nothing is common. When nothing is common, what you need to do is you have to take 1 as a common factor, and whenever you see here the common factor, the same common factor should be repeated here also. So here when you see minus you have and here you have a plus sign. So what you need to do is here you have to take minus 1 as the common factor. So when you take minus 1 as the common factor, you will be left with 4x minus 1 here in the bracket. Because minus into minus you are going to get plus. So now you write it. Here the factors are 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. So these are the factors of this expression. Now the same way, now we will see for the next one also. 2 into 3. So here 2 into 3 is 6. So now when you take the other factors, what is the condition? You have to see the sum should be 7 and the product should be 6. So here you have 2 into 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 is 5. But here you need 7. So we will go for the next combination. 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So now we will replace this 7x with 6 and 1. So here it will be 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. So now I told you you have to take the common factor, highest common factor. So here it is 2x. So 2x plus 3 And whenever nothing is common, you are going to take 1 as a common factor. So here you will take it as 1. 1 into x plus 3. So here it is x plus 3 and here it is 2x plus 1. So now these are the factors. Now let's see the other examples. Now let's see the next question. Here when you see 6 into 6, these two you have to multiply. 6 into 6 is 36, where you have negative 36 here, and here the sum should be 5. So now we will start taking the numbers and check for the combination. So here when you take 2 into, here you will get 13. 13 also it is not possible, 18. So 2 into 18 you will get 36, but the sum should be 5. So we will go for such numbers where when you add you should get 5. So now you know 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is 36 and here you want plus 5. So here when I am adding minus and plus, here I will get 5, but I will get minus 5 here. But we need plus 5, so I am putting here plus 9 and here minus 4, where I will get the sum as plus 5. So now I will replace this 5x with 9x minus 4x minus 6. So now you have to take the common factor. Here the common factor will be 3x, where it will be 2x plus 3, and here the highest common factor is going to be minus 2. So it will be 2x plus 3. So when you take minus as common factor, here you will get plus. So here it is 2x plus 3 and here it is 3x minus 2. So these are the factors for this question. Now next let's move on to the next question. Here it is 3 into 4 is 12, where it is equal to minus 12. And the condition is same. When you take the factors, you have to see in such a way that the result you have to get minus 1. So now when you take 3 into 4 itself is 12, but you want negative 12 and here the sum should be minus 1. Suppose if I put here minus 3 into 4, I will get minus 12, but when I add I will get plus 1. So this combination is not possible, so interchange it. Plus 3 minus 4. So here it will be 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. So now when you see what is common, here 3x is common. So take 3x as common, so it is x plus 1. Here minus 4 is common, take minus 4 into x plus 1. So put this in bracket. So here it is x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. So these are the factors of this question. So now the fourth main consists of the quadratic polynomials, where you have two factors. Now in next main we will be seeing the cubic polynomials, where you get three factors, and how we can do that in different methods we will see in the next video. Hope you all have understood with the method what I have taught you. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye children.